In this video, I'll guide you through how to dismiss an employee in Gusto. Whether you're a small business owner or a human resources professional, knowing how to navigate this process efficiently is crucial. We'll walk through each step to ensure you're comfortable with the procedure. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and go to gusto.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you aren't logged in yet, enter your credentials and sign in. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the main dashboard. Here, Gusto provides a plethora of tools for managing your team, but today we're focusing on dismissing an employee. Next, look to the left side of the screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Click on the one labeled People. This section is where you manage all your employee-related tasks, from onboarding to offboarding. It's designed to be intuitive, so finding the right employee should be straightforward. Once you're in the People section, you'll see a list of all your current employees. Scroll through the list or use the search bar if you have a large team to find the employee you need to dismiss. After locating the employee, look to the right of their name. You'll see 3 vertical dots, which is a common icon for a drop-down menu. Click on these dots to reveal more options. In the drop-down menu, you'll notice an option labeled Remove. This is the button you'll need to click to initiate the dismissal process. Clicking Remove will prompt a confirmation dialog. This is a safety feature to ensure you don't accidentally remove someone. Read through the dialog carefully to confirm that you're removing the correct employee. When you're ready, confirm the action. This step is crucial because once it's done, the employee will no longer have access to their account, and you won't be able to reverse the action easily. If you're sure, go ahead and proceed. After confirming, Gusto will take care of the rest. The employee will receive a notification about their dismissal, and your records will be updated accordingly. It's important to note that dismissing an employee is more than just a click of a button. Be sure to handle the situation with professionalism and empathy. Prepare any necessary documentation beforehand and ensure that all outstanding matters, such as final paychecks and benefits, are addressed. Having a checklist can be helpful to ensure you cover all bases. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to dismiss an employee using Gusto. Remember, while the technical side of dismissing an employee is simple with Gusto's platform, the human aspect requires careful consideration. Make sure to approach each situation with the respect and sensitivity it deserves. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials on managing your business with ease.